idea, Mahal.
What?
Why don't we go eat at McDonald's tonight?
Why McDo? Hello guys! Kamusta na po kayong lahat? Pauwi na po kami galing kay Bianan. Kung napanood nyo po yung vlog natin kahapon. So pag-uwi natin, mag-ready na din kami kasi para sa ating Christmas Eve, kakain po tayo sa labas. Hindi na po ako magluto-luto kay gusto nga namin ng relax na na araw today. Kasi nga dito sa Netherlands, quiz to quiz. Kung nanood kayo kahapon ng vlog po natin, sa Netherlands po they don't celebrate Christmas Eves. Right, my love? No.
Just first and second Christmas day.
First and second Christmas day. First Christmas day is 25 and 26 is the second Christmas day. Pero tayo, kahit tinayman tayo, kahit magkain lang good sa labas, ma-celebrate lang din po na ma-feel natin parang nasa Pilipinas tayo, no? Pero bukas magluto po ako. Grabe itong sa Netherlands, oh. Hindi takot sa kuryente ba? 24/7 ang pa-Christmas light. Mahal, should we do that to Mahal? Or maybe we'll be paying a lot of energy, Mahal, because we're doing it 24/7, the Christmas light.
Yeah, this is I checked is what is it, like 10 euros to do that for the whole month.
Ah, okay. Not bad. Not bad, may pag 10 euros. Kasiksi ba may customer, oy? Gupitan natin para pugi siya sa date night natin mamaya guys sa ating Christmas Eve.
Maybe shoot.
This one is like 100.
Maybe I will get salmonella.
Why? From the water? Just from the water, Mahal? Can you sing Christmas song for them?
Jingle bell, tiny Isabel. What?
Where did you learn that?
Wow, how dare you even ask? Where do you think?
Jingle bell, tain Isabel. Naka-zoom pala tayo guys. Nagupitan ko na itong mister ko para pogi masyado ito mamaya. Kaya he has a gift. Ano ba yung for me later, ha? I asked you the gift last night, right? This morning. What was that, Mahal? Don't say it, ha?
You were asking for eggplant.
Eggplant? Para sa talong daw. Nag-ask daw ako ng talong, guys. Kami lang po ang magse-celebrate ng Christmas Eve because, yun na nga, ang quiz the quiz. They don't celebrate Christmas Eve. Here, tapos si Bianan, busy po siya sa pagluluto para sa Christmas nila bukas ng kuya ni Daniel.
So right now there's a very big party going on in the Philippines.
Yo. Super big party, nagpalitsyon po sila doon. We're also having a lot of food later. Don't worry, we have the buffet. Sa Magkaway.
Buffet.
Yeah, buffet.
Yeah, but I'm not talking about the buffet. I'm talking about big party.
Yeah.
With lechon.
Yeah, with lechon. Dabi, let's try this. It's our first time.
And with chicharon bulaklok. Bulaklok.
First time ko ito gamitin sa buhok ni Daniel. Ang bagong
Oeh, heb je mooie slippers van mij gevonden, mannetje? Vind je die slippers leuk? Ja. Oeh.
Wow. How much is this? How much I'm getting for this, sir?
I have a very nice 10 peso coin for you. Okay, 11 pesos.
And happy ending then.
Okay. But then I will take the 11 pesos again.
You know, it depends how nice are you with this.
No, your reward depends on how nice are you.
Tapos na tayo sa...
I hate this. This part is no good.
Guys. So, it's super, It's Christmas, ha? It's Christmas. You know,
my left ear is dry, but my right ear is super wet.
You don't reklamo, ha, when it's Christmas, ha? Marunong na din ba kayong magupit, guys? Na ba ang lahat? Nag-practice na magupit? Siyempre, nagawa tayo ng ating guide. At first, mahal, you do a guide. You make a guide here. You see that, guys? That is what we will do as a guide. Pwede na tayong magupit dito sa palikod. Very easy, di ba? Sa YouTube ko lang ito natutunan. Sa mga Instagram, mga pinapanood ko po na video. Maganda na ba, guys? Ang last part naman ay syempre ang ating pag trim. Are you proud of your wife?
Of course I'm proud of my wife. I'm always proud of my wife.
Do you ever think that your wife will cut your hair in the future? If you will have a wife, did you think of that?
No. Now I do. Before I did not. But I also did not think that I would be always speaking English in my relationship.
Yeah. You never think that you will have a foreigner wife, Mahan?
No.
No?
And I did not think that I would have a wife.
Yeah, because Daniel was not planning to get married before me, ha? So, it's just because of me. Wala sa isip niya na kasal. Bago niya pa po ako nakarelasyon. So, the reason is me, Mahal.
Yeah.
Wow.
I wanted to give you confidence that, you know, our relationship was not just going anywhere. That I'm not just using you while in the Philippines or in China.
Yeah.
But that I'm actually, you know, care about you and I want you to be in my life. That's why I asked you to marry me.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, if you were living here in the Netherlands and I could just be with you any time and always, I would not ask you to marry me. No need to give you that confidence because you're already here. Yeah. But you're far away on the other side of the world. So that's why I married you.
That's the only reason?
No, not the only reason.
One of the reasons.
That's the big reason that I want to show you. Like, you are on the other side of the world, but I want you to be in my life.
Yeah. Wow. Malapit na tumatapos, guys. Kunting na talaga kimbot. And then you'll take shower, tapos na po tayo. Prepare.
I'm starting to get hungry now.
Yeah. That's good because we're paying a lot for a buffet later. You see how pogi my husband is? You should see. Take a look. Come here, guys. Come here. So you can see how pogi my husband is, huh? You don't blink. You don't blink. On the side, on the side, on the side. Oh, on the other side, on the other side. Oh, okay. Go take shower.
Yeah, it's nice. For some reason, I am less gray on top than when it grows out. So you cut away a lot of the gray. Huh.
I will color your hair.
Mahal.
Sige na, go now. Ay, kapugi naman ng ano yung mukha? Ano yung mukha? O, tingnan niyo, ang tindahan niya nandito na, naabot na dito ang tindahan, oh. Ang nanay naman, syempre, naka-green din po, pero isarado na muna natin yan kay malamig po sa labas. At alam nyo ba, ano ang pinakamagandang mangyayari sa atin today? Magsisimba po tayo dahil may nakita po kaming church dito na may mass po sila. Yung simbahan po kasi na malapit sa Asian shop, close na yun, guys. Ewan, anong gawin nila sa simbahan? Hindi naman daw nila gigibain, no? Pero close na po siya. Kaya naghanap-hanap po kami online. So may nakita po tayo mamayang alas 7. And that is for, ano, Mahal, right? Kapugi naman my husband.
Wait, I need to change.
Yeah, you need to change. Yung pupuntahan po natin ng 7 o'clock is family mass po siya. Kasi yung Christmas mass nila, alas 10 pa, guys. Ano na masyado, late na kay Nathan. Papa! Basta kay makasimba po tayo, no? Ay, punta na doon tayo sa sushi. Ha! Grabe na, Judy! Hala, you look younger, like 10 years younger, Mahal.
Yeah, I know. When my hair is long, I look old because of all the grayness.
Dobby, show them the new that I bought. In 3, 2, 1. Wow! So pogi my husband, the hair.
was good looking, huh?
Hey, wag mag-fake crying, ha? Wag mag-fake crying. Dali na, magkain na tayo ng sushi. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Kom maar, we doen de zakdicht.
Look at my husband. I'm so in love. You look like Harry Potter, my love.
You're beautiful tomorrow.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dahil na. Kaya ang isa dito, nag-inuigutom na. It's already hungry, mahal. Let's go.
Yeah, but if we go an hour early, will they just let us in?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bayad na muna tayo ng parking, guys. Mga 2 hours. Hi! Hindi na mainit ang ulo ni Nathan? Okay ka na? Hello! Masaya na yan siya. Yan. Ha? Ano yan? Okay, may nakita siya. Ano daw? Egg light daw. Dito na po tayo. Kami ang pinakaunang customer, guys. Korean po tayo today. Yes, moy, he? Ka-proud ko ba sa paggupit kay Daniel, guys? Ngayon nagupit ko sa kanya. I love it. You too?
Very good.
Because it's Christmas, mahal. They're giving you more than 2 lettuce. Wow, you see that, everyone? I'm so excited to eat. I'm craving for this. Merry Christmas, my love.
Merry Christmas. You want me to put the ribs on there?
Yeah. Si Nathan nag-order ng sushi at saka lumpia daw. Nag-order din ako ng fried chicken sa kanya. Kain, everyone. Lekker, he? Tapos meron din yan syempre yung drink si Nathan. And look at that! Wow! Hot pa yan, ha? Fried chicken. Wow, paborito niyan, sushi. Wala pa rin po silang customer. Maaga pa din kasi. Alas 5 po ang aming appointment dito. And then, rice. So, nanginginig na ako. Nagtinapay lang. Nagtinapay lang po kasi ako kanina. Kasi mga kimchi, mga sides. Hindi na yan. Ang soup pa pala. Hindi din maganda na magpunta ka dito ng ano ba? Gutom ka masyado. Kaya nanginginig ka. Magdali-dali ka kain. Mabilis ka mabusog. Yummy? Chicken. Yeah, the robot. Wala pa ang robot. Hintay niyo ang robot. Are you enjoying my love? This one, can you already change the paper, please? Ang Nathan hataw din. Yeah, fish. Very yummy. This fish. Fish po, Nathan, fish. Wow, look at that, guys. Order na naman tayo. Feeling ko nagagawin pa rin mo. I'm shivering, mahal. Because of Venus. Mukbang. Buti yan, hataw ka ha. Kaya parang hindi tayo malugi. Grabe ang isda, guys. Guys, in the mouth. Nag-order ako ng sabaw. Masarap na yung slides nila, no? Huwag ka magpindot-pindot yan, ha? Yes, the robot. Wow. Robot. No. Sino yan? Anong sabihin mo sa robot? Robot.
Thank you.
Can we also put this there? Yeah, thank you.
Everyone.
Ano daw ilagay?
Now we have a...
Start Mardoy. Doy. Matter of your house, or?
What are you doing?
Merry Christmas, robot. Sabi mo. Merry Christmas, robot. Ito yung ating lamb. fish ulit. At yan, masarap din po yan. Wow, nagustuhan ni Daniel ang shrimp.
Yeah, I like this one. It's nice.
And then we put the herb.
What else do you want me to put on it?
This one. Wow! Ang ating soup. Wow.
Do you need to eat preemptive antihistamine?
No, it's fine. Baka may mga itlog daw ba? Baka makapiray patay sa mga kanta. May pa-water-water pa na kanta dyan.
Say hey there, manager.
Hot pa yan. Request niya.
Hey.
Hala. Ang robot ni Nathan. Maraming ganyan sa Japan. Huy. Nathan, maraming ganyan sa Japan. Yeah. Punta tayo sa Japan, ha? Ka-cute po sa rice, mahal.
Yeah, because rice, to me, if we do this, rice is the side.
Yeah.
The main.
Ay.
I do it for the flavor of the rice.
Wow. Leka? Anong sabihin mo kay robot?
Salamat, robot.
Salamat, robot.
Anything food in there?
Nagdala ng pagkain. Last na to. Tapos magano na dessert na po kami. Last na yan, guys. Akin na lang yan. Anong sabihin kay robot? Bye-bye, robot.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay. Kaya magpunta ka sa Japan. Masyak ito sa Japan, you know. There's a restaurant in Japan, mahal, and they all have robots. It's not restaurant, it's like a bar, coffee shop like that.
Yeah.
And then the people who are doing the robot are people who cannot work, like they are PWD, that they are at home and they talk to you.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. In Tokyo, they have that. I saw in TikTok.
There's a problem though.
Why?
I don't speak Japanese, so if they don't...
No, they speak English, mahal. They speak English. I saw that in TikTok. Dessert. Paborito naming ice cream dito. Yung kanilang green tea ice cream. Oh, yummy.
You still have mushroom.
Ano? What?
You still have mushroom.
Talaga siyang to. My family. Putting something. Excited. Uy! Excited sa Dragon Balls ba?
Yeah, of course.
Our last dessert padating na. Dragon Balls. Ano sabi mo?
I think this will be very hot.
Mahal, you know. He was saying, Dank Uvel, he was saying thank you to the guy, and the guy did not say anything. And you know what Nathan said? Krakadan. He said it himself. Nag-welcome siya doon sa lalaki. Nainok ni, they can knock 8 last to, and then they can, okay? Grabe ang kabusog. Hindi normal. Ito nga ang pangit, mapagutom ka masyado. Kaya magpakabusog ka talaga. What is that?
Nou, op naar de kerk.
Ja, wij gaan naar de kerk. Naar Jezus.
Weer.
Umulan pa naman. Naar Jezus, Nathan, eh? Naar Jesus. Pupunta tayo kay Jesus. So, nalaman din po namin sa simbahan na yan, ano, every first week of the month. First, anong hey? Ha?
Nathan wants attention. Hey!
Ano nga yun? Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Si Nathan kasi ba? Napag-usapan po namin ni Daniel na meron po silang mass, English mass, every first Sunday of the month. So, pupuntahan po natin yan nung magsimba na po kami ngayon. Once a month. Kaya pangit din mag-Dutch tayo, guys. Hindi man maintindihan lahat. Ngayon lang din po namin nalaman na may English mass pala dito. Kung hindi nagpunta yung pari na po sa amin, nag-blessing ng bahay, hindi din namin malaman na may English mass pala, guys. The mass tonight, mahal, will be Dutch, right? Because it's not first week of the month, first Sunday of the month. Dito pala tayo mag-park sa city. Medyo malayo-layo po yung lakarin natin. Kasi Hirap mag-parking doon guys. Baka puno na yung ano, ang parkingan ng simbahan. Kaya dito maglakad po tayo. Mga ano siguro to 10 to 15 minutes ang lakad. Right, mahal? Still need to walk?
Yeah, not 15 minutes.
I'm so proud of you and very thankful of you and very grateful that you're my husband. Because you know that you're coming to us in the church. Thank you.
The whole speech, and then because you come with us to the church, and then that's it.
I love you, ha? You are the best husband that I can ever get, and only you husband, ha? Since birth, ha? You're the only one. Merry Christmas, guys. Ano ang ano nyo dyan, handa? Sila mamang, grabe, may palitsyon. Nagsayawan na nga sila sa bahay, eh. That's money, right? Para sa ano ba? Kailangan natin ng cash, guys. Para sa donation. Ay, wala na to. Yeah, I think that all transact daw. For the money. Let's go?
Apa?
Saan ka magpunta?
Napapalita Mama Mary.
Kay Jesus, eh. Magpunta si Nathan kay Jesus at saka kay Mama Mary.
8-minute walk, they say.
8 minutes walk daw, guys. Maganda siguro kung dito lang bahay mo. Tabi lang masyado ng simbahan. Pasok na po kami. Halika na, pasok na tayo. Halika na. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. My inside is correct. Hindi pa po nagsimula. Wala pa si Father. No. Nasa Kerk si Nathan. Huling punta niya sa church, baptism. Ha? Wala pa si Father. Yeah, hintayin pa natin si Father, okay? Merry Christmas, guys!
Merry Christmas!
Thank you, my love. Balik na po tayo sa sasakyan. Si Nathan, ang mga bata po, nakakuha sila ng marshmallow pag labas. So yun na nga, sabi ng ng priest na sweet masyado ang mga bata, ganun ba, na nakinig talaga, nagupo lang, kaya paglabas nila meron silang sweet na matanggap. So yun, kinakain ni Nathan. Alam niyo po ba na ang nagmisa, na-shock ako guys, first time of my life na babae po ang priest nila. If it's woman, mahal. Lekker? Ja, van Jezus, hè? Omdat vandaag is Jesus jarig. Ano yan? Babae po ang nagmisa. If it's a woman, mahal, how do you call that? Still priest?
Yeah.
Pero nakasuot po talaga siya ng Kasi kayong misa po nila katulad po sa atin. Yun lang kay Dutch po ang pagsalita. Hindi lahat na maintindihan po, pero halos ba naintindihan ko po, no? Masarap sa feeling, eh.
Actually, we were there a little bit early. That was 1.5 hours.
Yeah.
I think he did very well for 1.5 hours in the church.
Very good masyado. Because it's also all with the children there. It's a family mass po talaga.
Yeah.
May mga ang kumakanta, mga bata. Tapos nagano sila ba? Nag-acting-acting po sila. About po sa Bethlehem. Kaya nag-enjoy din itong isa. Ito sayang talaga to. Yung tower ba na nahiwi, guys. Hindi talaga siya nagamit. Wala na, parang ginawa nila yung parang tourist attraction po dito sa province na ito. Simbahan po dapat yan. Right, mahal? It was supposed to be a church, mahal?
What?
It was supposed to be a church.
This was supposed to be the big church.
Oh. And
This whole plan, this whole thing was all supposed to be church.
And what happened?
Well, the tower they built first.
And then...
And you see what happened to the tower, so they decided to not build the rest of the church.
Oh. Like that?
First they built the tower did this, and then they were like,
Oh,
maybe we should not build a church here.
Really?
Yeah.
Eddie maakt van de gekleurde blokken een station. Hier stoppen de treinen. Tom pakt een locomotief en 3 wagons uit de kist. Hij zet ze op de rails en klik. Nu zitten de wagons vast aan de locomotief. Eddie pakt ook een locomotief en wagons. Ze hebben nu allebei een trein en kunnen gaan spelen. Tjoeke, 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 toet, toet. Doet Eddie het geluid van de locomotief na terwijl hij over de baan rijdt.